Hey, how's you going? Martin here, theblueslab.com. I hope you are doing well. Thanks to be here, to follow me in these videos, to like and subscribe, of course. So let's talk about diminished arpeggio in a blues context. I will show you how in a very simple way, yeah? So you can start using this diminished arpeggio today, yeah? I don't want you to do it the things too complicated, yeah? So we have a blues in A, D, and E, yes? How I use this, for example, I mean, there's many different ways to use diminished sounds. So how I use it in this way. When I am over A, A7, A13, A9, yeah, the first degree of my blues, I use this fingering. Again, that's my diminished arpeggio. Basically, I am using the sixth of A, the root, which is A, the flat third, the blue note, the fifth flat, and the sixth again. So I create this shape. Of course, I could continue this shape. Yes, I start repeating the notes, but for this lesson, I just want to focus in these notes, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat the 1, yeah? That's my diminished arpeggio of A. Yes, so if we think about the notes we are playing, we are not playing, it's not about the notes, it's about the combination of notes, because we are playing this note, my F sharp, which is the sixth of my A, which is a note we use a lot. Actually, it's part of my major pentatonic scale of A, you know. It's a note we use a lot in blues. Then we play the root, the flat third, a note we use all the time in blues, but in my minor pentatonic scale. And then I play the fifth flat, my blue note, with I use this note all the time, yes? So it's not about the notes we use, it's about how we use the notes and the order, the connection, the link between them, because are tritons between them, yeah? So this is triton of this, yeah? This is triton of this one. So we create a tension because are tritons. So over my A7th, we can play that arpeggio, diminished arpeggio. You can find the shapes of these on my Patreon, yeah? The cool thing about this diminished arpeggio, we repeat the diminished arpeggio up to thirds. So every full and a half step, 1.5, we play the same shape, and we are going to play the same notes in different order, but the same notes, yeah? So again, where my pinky finish, my index starts, yeah? The cool thing about this, we can attach, we can link each one of these with my 5 boxes of the minor pentatonic scale, so I will get a really quick access to the information, you know, because I know it's here, I know this one is for my box 2, yes, and the next one is on my box 3. You will see it on the PDF, yeah, just visit the link of my Patreon, yeah. So that's nice. Let's focus in A. So we have this. So we can start mixing this sound with my pen. How to do it? Examples. So arpeggio. When I finish here on my blue note, I just play half step, and I am inside my pentatonic scale again, and I can play a blues lick. Yeah. So the thing is going to sound well, not because you play only the diminished arpeggio, it's because what you play after the diminished arpeggio, which should be super bluesy, yeah, in a blues context, yeah. So again, I don't know, I'm just shooting some improvisation, yeah. I start adding chromatic notes, yeah, between this and this, and now I am in pentatonic. Penta. This is nice when you play jump blues, yeah, swing blues, West Coast jump, yeah. Yeah. You can hear that sound all the time in jump, yeah. So this is idea, yeah. Now look this second step. We know this. If we move this half step, we will use this to play through the changes. So I will use the same arpeggio, half step, yeah. So I create tension to go to the fourth degree. Again, I am playing in A. I go to D. Yeah. I am in D, when I do this. Yeah, anything. I mean, I'm just using really simple, yes, this. You can use it up, whatever. I mean, you can use it, you can mix the notes as you want, you know. That's nice. Arpeggio, penta, and I finish on the third of my D. And then if we move the same design, same shape, half step, we create the tension to go, because it's from the 5 to the 1. You can hear it, right? So I will use this over E just before, through the changes, before going to my A. Yeah, again. Attention. A. So again. You can just, I mean, when you study things like that, the idea is to incorporate this slowly, really slow, you know. You don't have to play 25 licks or 25 ideas in 1 hour, you know. What you can do, my suggestion here is learn or just design 2 licks using in A. That's it. Over A. Again. You practice that and you use it in your playing. You add it like little drops, yeah, of information. Okay, that's one. Another one, I don't know. You know, 1, 2 licks, and you use this, you use that thing, you will add the flavor, that flavor to your playing. Then after a few weeks, especially if you have a band or if you in a jam, if you go once a week to a jam or whatever, add that sound. Yeah, you will feel more confident because you are adding one thing, little thing that works instead 25. Yeah, then practice just half step. Okay, the same. Da 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 da, my D. That's the lick, only one, you know, and add it slowly and 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 well, yeah. So that's my advice on this short lesson about diminished in blues. I hope you like it. Remember, you can find a PDF with all these shapes on my Patreon. And well, thank you very much. Remember to leave a comment and see you soon.